Hello students, this is for the announcement video. Students, I am starting with live batch for upcoming May 21 attempt students. And this batch students, there are two batches. One 100% English batch for all Mass South students and also a Hindi batch. तो दो बैच होंगे स्टूडेंट्स. एक तो पूरी हिंदी बैच लाइव बैच है and one is 100% English live batch. So first the Hindi batch. This is a Yodha batch. We have termed this to be a Yodha, the warrior batch for the May 21. Now along with me I'll be taking for all of you students paper number 7. पेपर नंबर 7 लूंगा स्टूडेंट्स आप लोगों के लिए as well as elective I will be announcing in the due course in the month of January. Elective paper on international taxation I will be announcing in the month of January. Again that would be a live. So Yodha is a Hindi batch. 100% ये हिंदी बैच होगी. Timing students would be in morning 9:15 to 11:15. So you can watch this particular batch in a live mode. अगर आपको लगता है कि ये लाइव नहीं देख पाओगे एंड यू वांट टू डू इट इन ऑफलाइन, यू कैन ऑल्सो डू इट इन ऑफलाइन. इट इज अप टू यू. माई टैक्स लेक्चर स्टार्ट स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम टुमारो 18th of December. I will have my first session, first class, and the duration is 180 hours. तो अगर आप 2 hours per day के हिसाब से देखोगे, then in that case it will be for 3 months. You have to take a subscription for 3 months, students, minimum subscription for 3 months. And by taking the subscription for 3 months, you will not only get an access to my live lectures, but also access to all the lectures for the remaining subject as well of IDT, SCMP and international taxation, which I'm going to do it in the due course. Now this was for the Hindi batch. In the morning, which I'm going to do 9:15 AM to 11:15 AM. Either you can do live or you can do offline mode, recorded mode also, up to you. The English batch students, primarily again, I'm starting tomorrow 18 December. Evening students 7 PM to 9 PM. Again that will be a live batch. Now DT I'm taking, IDT is taken by Tharun Raj sir in English. So that also option is available students. So you can avail the benefit of the English batch. DT, IDT both of us are taking. Again 180 hours for the same thing. Now students always have one query. एक दिमाग में query रहता है, sir what we will do about the book, physical book. Physical book students you will buy it from Bharat Law House. So the booklet would be from the Bharat Law House and that is the comprehensive material. That physical copy you can buy it from the Bharat Law House. Students, based on the latest November 20 attempt, in fact I will give you the description link of the and our paper analysis of the new course students, new course attempt of November 20. So you can just go through that particular paper analysis link. Very important examination. We have analyzed the entire paper and I have also told how to approach your examination. How to approach your examination. Do go through that particular video students for all those students who would be appearing in Jan 21, May 21, November 21 as the case may be. Now once query is there, many November 21 students will say, sir, we can also opt for this batch. Definitely you can also opt for this batch because the law would be for assessment year 21-22. So all the amendments which is applicable definitely will be taken into account, and if there are any extra amendments, that we will do it separately in the YouTube. So students, tomorrow I'll start 18th of December. Again I'm repeating, morning 9:15 AM to 11:15 AM. It would be a live Hindi. आप लोग ऑफलाइन देखना है तो ऑफलाइन देख सकते हो. And there is no limitation students on the views. You can do this particular lecture for n number of times in that particular subscription period that you have taken. Evening I am doing a English batch 7 PM to 9 PM again on the same particular modality. And students, I can assure you the coverage would be as comprehensive as possible so as to enable you all to crack your CA final examination and come out with flying colors. See you all tomorrow. And one most important thing students, when you subscribe for the when you take the subscription, don't forget to put my code in the subscription, which is CADS. At the time of taking the subscription, do put this particular code CADS so that you can get the discount on the subscription, and that will help you to reduce the cost as well. It is most cost effective measure that you can have by taking up this particular facility. I can assure you it will be economical and as comprehensive as it was in any other medium. See you then, students, tomorrow. I'll see you then. Thank you very much.